right, I can't see on the other side, but basically from me, straight to the other side of the house, to my right, coming right around this way towards the warehouse, it looks like they put Besser blocks, concreted Besser blocks underneath there onto the thingo, which would have stopped a lot of the water getting under there over time.
Water was causing it to subside a bit. Okay, well that's good. Doesn't look, and it looks perfectly dry under there too, which is excellent.
But those old, look, just some of the beams under there, they're old. You can see the old, oh, it's a bit hard. Yeah, they're round logs, big round logs, probably 120 mil in diameter. Yep. 150 mil in diameter. Yeah.
I can't see any.
Okay, obviously a Japanese carpenter would know a lot. No, or.
Can you see where's the Irori down over there? Awesome.
Okay, there's the Irori hidden under the floor.
Cool.
So apparently.
Yep, that's definitely in that next room.
Yep, according to the real estate agent, that Irori's the original Irori from 1874 or something. Madness. So.
Exciting.
Oh, thanks, darling.
I think it's going to come here soon. So.
Break my spine.
Some will be here soon, so let's get ready for him. Here we go. We're going to unearth the Irori. So what have we got here? What? Does something
everything
scare you?
scares me. Like I picked that up and it's just a string to the thingo, and I just thought it was some sort of monster.
So you said, I think you said it was over this side. Because there's that, yeah.
So the question is, that's some sort of moisture barrier, I'd say.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't want
this one. Let's have a look on this side. This might be more obvious. Oh, that's what that's for. Is it heavy?
Oh, yeah. Reasonably. I mean, a man. Most men could lift them.
Oh. Oh! There it is! Holy moly. That's it! What? We found the Irori. It has to be it. Just, I'll stand back here in case anything jumps out.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what? Careful. Oh, what is that? Oh, wow.
What is it?
I don't know. But it's...
Maybe
it looks like...
Maybe a viewer could, once this video is posted,
yeah,
maybe a viewer could leave a comment if they think they know what it is.
But is that concrete?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Because, you know, it's really substantial. Like a lot of them you see, they're just made of stones. And you think, oh, it's probably going to fall apart.
But
is that
saying that
ash drain or something? I don't know.
That it might be some sort of flame.
No. Careful. Oh yeah. Maybe you put your coals under there. Spiders, buddy.
Daddy long legs.
That must be where you put
your coals, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe this is actually kotatsu. So what they do, and you can probably use it for full-on fires as well, but well, you know, they put coals in there, and you can sit around and put your feet down the hole with a table over it.
Oh.
That's what that is. Kotatsu.
You know what we could do though?
There's nothing stopping you having actual...
But why couldn't you grout actual stones to it?
Yeah, you could make it look beautiful.
Because it's concrete, we could make it look quite beautiful.
Definitely, and like it seems in pretty good condition.
I'll leave it open.
There's no hole to the ground. Doesn't come in there. No.
I'll,
that's amazing.
I will.
Amazing.
So I suspect this is where the original Irori was, but then over some time over the years,
they modernised it.
They modernised it and concreted it.
That's actually a lot better because it's solid, and like you said, you can easily just tile it, inlay it with stones to make it look beautiful. That's looks
like some sort of plasterboard.
Yeah, I guess we've got to be a bit careful. There could be like asbestos type materials too, so we'll be aware of that. Wowee! It was easy to find.
I'll just leave it open, and you might be able to give us a bit of a. Our real estate agent's coming around to see us today at 2 o'clock. So.
Well, now we have to do some research on kotatsu and Irori. That's cool. Well, there you go.
There you go.
We were hoping we had one. At least it's solid, so when we're doing renovations, it's not likely to be disturbed too much. Like we're a
the
pile
whole
of
house can fall down. At least we know this will survive.
Oh, that's awesome. So now, yes, I have a bit more faith of being here in winter time because it'll be warm. Yeah, and like I was saying when we first looked at this house, I thought this could be, look, I don't know if these beams are blackened intentionally or if it was because there was a lot of smoke in here at some point from a, the Irori fire, but it definitely has that feeling of having been, I don't know, smoky at some point. Yeah, cool. We need to Google the difference between kotatsu and Irori and how to convert. I don't know, would you want to have a fire in here, or the kotatsu might be just perfect?
No, not just...
Probably better just to have the coals in the bottom.
There's nothing, there's no outlet in the bottom to go under the house, so anything you'd burn in there, you'd have to physically shovel out.
Yeah, I wonder what I don't know if they have, Iroris have, or had some kind of
maybe
vent.
Could it be maybe they didn't put their feet down there?
No.
Could it be they burnt stuff in that tray? Then you had that on top, and then they had their cushions and just sat around it, and because of the emanating heat, just kept them warm.
Maybe.
Like a campfire.
Maybe they didn't put their feet down the hole, but maybe just cross-legged. I'm not sure.
And just sat around.
I know that's the intention of those types of tables, but see how it's got the.
But then how would
heat
with the tatami mats over the top? How?
No, they wouldn't have had the tatami over the top. I reckon when they were.
You reckon
they would have had a little.
Just put tatami in the room. Originally, wouldn't have had tatami in the room.
Well, I've seen them. I've seen rooms with these in them where they've got one normal size tatami, and then they have the two squares, and they can pop off one of the squares. But
they haven't done this.
It definitely looks like there's layers of sort of flooring and like the surround.
Well, that's the boxing. So that's that would have been the boxing when they formed it up to pour the concrete tube. See?
It doesn't look like something comfortable that you'd put your feet into, Oh, was that probably sound like idiots? But I just I'm sure there'll be lots of information we can look up on how these things are used.
Yeah, we're not going to find obviously something exactly the same because it's man-made.
Not like customised.
It's a custom one, obviously. It's not a full traditional one because they use concrete. But as I said, we could make that very pretty by sticking.
Yes, line it with stones.
So it looks a bit more traditional.
Oh, it'll be amazing. You can see the original what the original edging of the tatami looked like. Like it's much more vibrant, and these will have to be replaced, so that's why.